Hey guys, welcome back to Kala Poshana. This is Vishnu. I hope you all are doing good. In today's DIY home project, I am going to make Rangoli mats using some cardboard and air dry clay. It's a very easy home project. Using the same technique, you can make these Rangoli mats in different shapes and sizes. You can also make a big Rangoli mat that you can use it for your festive decorations. It's beginner friendly, reusable, multi-purpose and eco-friendly home decor. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and got some ideas for your next home project. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. The more you like, YouTube algorithm is going to push this video to other viewers who are interested to make this DIY. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now without any delay, let's get started. Here I'm creating a lotus design pattern on top of this paper. First I'm going to fold this paper. Draw the design on one side and trace it to the other side. Here I am creating a lotus design pattern on top of this paper. You can find these lotus templates online. Take a printout and you can use that to trace the lotus on top of the cardboard. Use a scissors and cut out the design and use that to trace on top of the cardboard. When tracing the lotus design on top of the cardboard, make sure you're using the straight edge of the cardboard and straight edge of the lotus design. Using the knife, cut out the cardboard. I'm going to use some paper glue and attach these two cardboards together. Here comes the fun part. Here I'm using 1 teaspoon of clay. I always make one clay noodle at a time. Using my palm, I'm going to press this clay ball and create a clay noodle. I'm trying to create a clay noodle which is approximately half centimeter in diameter. Save it in a Ziploc bag and continue making the clay noodles. Once you get these clay noodles from the Ziploc bag, just roll them back and straight them. I'm using some glue to attach these clay noodles to the cardboard. While attaching, gently press the clay towards the cardboard. Don't get stressed out if the clay noodles are not coming perfect. Even I practiced number of times to get the right size and shape. But once you attach it to the cardboard, you will not see any difference. And when you use these Rangoli mats, they will look absolutely perfect. Let it dry completely overnight before using it. Here, beautiful lotus cardboard Rangoli mats are ready. These Rangoli mats are so cute and adorable. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and got some ideas for your next DIY home project. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. YouTube will pick up based on your likes and shares. So please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching.